This video is available in English and Hindi. Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. I hope all of you are doing well. How are your Diwali preparations coming along? Every year as Diwali approaches, we like to purchase new decoration items to enhance the beauty of our home. However, as the years pass, our storage space becomes cluttered with these items which often remain unused because we continue buying new ones each year. In today's video, I will share some simple ideas to help you give a fresh look to your existing decoration items and furnishings, allowing you to use them during festivals. Creating new items at home not only saves money but also frees up valuable storage space. So, let's get started. I have some elegant curtains, cushion covers and table runners that I have used for various Diwali celebrations. Let's explore how we can quickly and effortlessly transform them. Let's begin with these orange and golden jacket cushion covers. To refresh their appearance, we can add some decorative gota lace to the edges. Since these covers are orange, I have chosen a contrasting pink lace. I am attaching the lace using fabric glue, but you can also sew it or use a hot glue gun or Fevi-Bond for a quicker fix. As you can see, the lace easily enhances the cushion covers, giving them a beautiful and refreshed look. Next, I have these off-white cushion covers with a golden pattern. To rejuvenate them, I will use larger gota patti patches. Simply select a sizable patch and place it in the center. By adding this patch, the old cushion covers instantly gain a fresh appearance. Look at how stunning these cushion covers now appear in my living room. Their overall look has been completely transformed. Now let's take a look at this elegant cream and golden table runner. I have been using it for Diwali decorations for the past 4 to 5 years and it started to lose its luster. To rejuvenate it, I am adding this exquisite multicolored lace. I am using a needle and thread to secure it, but you can also use glue if you prefer. Look at how quickly this transformed the table runner. The addition of the multicolored lace has completely refreshed its appearance, making it a beautiful centerpiece for the table. I really hope you are enjoying these ideas. Moving on to these charming white printed curtains. Originally designed for doors, they were too small for the doors in our house, so I could not use them as intended. This Diwali, I needed new curtains for the guest room windows, so I decided to repurpose them. I've cut these curtains to fit the window size and stitched them at the bottom. To give them a new look, I have also attached a red pom-pom lace. This simple addition of lace has transformed these plain white curtains into something fresh and visually appealing, revitalizing the bedroom's appearance. Now let me show you what I did with this set of digitally printed cushion covers featuring a peacock painting. Since I had used them extensively and they had become worn, I decided to turn them into a DIY project. I had some large photo frames lying around, so I cut out the front parts of these cushion covers which showcase the paintings to match the frame's dimensions. I then placed these cut pieces inside the photo frames. To secure them properly, I left a small portion of the cloth at the edges so that I could press it slightly from the back to keep it taut. Look at how effortlessly I created a beautiful painting set to decorate the house without spending anything. Similar sets with frames can easily cost between Rs 1500 to 2000. So I not only saved money but also repurposed household items, reducing waste. It looks stunning hanging in the room. Now let's explore an easy DIY project. These types of earthen pots or handis are commonly found in many homes. I have this clay plate that we will transform into a beautiful DIY piece. First, I spray painted it white and then applied a coat of yellow spray paint to ensure an even color application. I had some extra multicolored diyas from last year and I'm attaching them to the edge of this plate using a Fevikwik. It looks something like this. Take a look at how adorable it looks. Next, I'm using mirrors and kundans to further embellish it. I have placed these on the edges here. And there you have it, a lovely DIY Diya Urli ready in no time. You can add water and some floating flowers to it and then light all the diyas. It creates a stunning visual effect. How did you like this DIY? Please let me know by commenting. Nowadays, these beautiful wooden trays with digital paintings on the inside are readily available. They make an elegant addition when serving guests during festivals. However, if you don't have such a tray, you can turn a simple plain tray from your home into a designer tray without making any permanent changes. Let's take a look at these two wooden trays. First, the smaller one. You will need some attractive thick wrapping paper. I chose this geometric pattern wrapping paper. Cut it to the size of the tray and place it inside. Then cut a transparent sheet or mat and place it on the top. Your tray is now ready. Adding a transparent liner will protect the paper underneath from damage. Now for the larger tray. I had this printed plastic dining mats lying around. I cut a mat to fit the size of the tray and secured it inside. Another designer tray ready to use. If the mat gets dirty while serving tea or coffee, simply remove, clean it and place it back. Isn't this a fantastic DIY? There is another alternative. You can use patterned or printed cloth. I had some leftover curtain fabric, which I cut to the tray size and stitched the edges to prevent fraying. After placing it, I added a plastic mat on the top to protect the cloth below from getting dirty. This way you can easily transform your ordinary trays into designer trays for serving or decorating the table. Lastly, let's create some very easy DIY coasters. I had some leftover pieces of the curtain fabric. I cut them into small square pieces. To provide base, we need thick cloth or bukram. I cut the old thick cloth mat to use it as base. The base size should be slightly smaller than the printed cloth square. Now place the larger square upside down like this and position the base square in the middle of it. Next, fold the cloth twice from the edges and bring it over the base, securing it with needle and thread. Alternatively, you can use hot glue for this step. Once you have sewn all around, it will look like this. Voila, the coasters are ready. If you wish, you can use them as it is, or since it's Diwali, we can add a decorative touch. I am attaching red pom-pom lace around the edges, but you can use plain lace as well. Look at how beautiful these DIY coasters have turned out. I guarantee that when guests visit your house, they will inquire about these coasters and be impressed. The best part, they can be easily washed. And that concludes today's video. With a touch of creativity and some effort, you can craft new furnishings and decorations for beautiful festivals using items already in your home. This not only saves money but also allows you to repurpose items that might be difficult to discard, whether due to their cost or infrequent use. These items often end up occupying valuable storage space. I hope you found these ideas enjoyable and useful. Don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'll see you all next week. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.